Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you on how to easily send feedback on YouTube using your PC. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube. Launch your web browser and go to youtube.com. Step 2. At the top left corner of the page, click on the menu bar. It's represented by 3 horizontal lines. Step 3. Scroll down the menu options until you find Send Feedback. Step 4. Write your feedback. In the feedback form, you can provide details about any issues you have encountered or suggest improvements for YouTube. Step 5. Once you have written your feedback, click on the Send button to submit it. And there you have it. You have successfully sent your feedback to YouTube. Sending feedback helps YouTube improve its platform and provide a better user experience for all. So don't hesitate to share your thoughts and suggestions. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. See you in the next video.